Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I would like to talk about how to fix Avowed is having Visual C++ runtime error which is happening and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. So the first one is all about what we need to do is we just need to move to the step that is all about we need to download and install Visual C++. So I'll be providing a video in the video description, so that will take you to this. Now from here, if you check, you can see that is taking you to Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable latest support downloads. And if you go over here, you can see this is x64 and it is x86. So you can download this one, download and install. That's what you have to do. You have to download this one and you have to install it. So if the system is based on x64, you have to download and install it. If the system is based on x86, you can download and install it. That's what you have to do. Once afterwards, you have to check, most probably this should be completely fixed. And I hope this quick video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.